What's up, guys? Day number 28. We're back again here. Let's get into it. Let's get some chess going. 2795, hot on the come up. Let's get going. It's time to go. Going for the Leningrad, the classic. Bishop g7, castles, of course. b4. I've never seen b4 like this. I've seen b4 with a quick bishop b2. I would assume here that we could go for the stone wall. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to go for. Yeah, pretty much in the stone wall, if their bishop cannot come to f4, it should be okay for you. I'll have to double check the lines, of course, but for the time being, I believe in this. All right, let's put the knight on e4. Really important to cover the score on e5 here. Okay, e6. Not sure really where the problem is just yet. b5. Let's play knight d7. Maybe king h8 first, actually. Let's get the king out of the way. Problem with knight d7. Okay, h4. Interesting. I'm not really sure if I'm worried about that, though. h5 I can even maybe take and play knight f6, knight g4. I'm playing knight b6 here. I want them to play c5. If they play c5, they relinquish all tension on the d pawn. And this is a big question here because he does not want to trade the light-scored bishop for my knight. Alright, and now his bishop is dead. Mission accomplished. I'll play queen e7, e5 soon enough. f4 also an idea, but I mean I need to time it right. f4 right now would not be good. They'll take on e4 and fracture my structure. Some motorcycles mucking about. Queen e7, I'm liking this position. I'm going to play h6 probably at the right moment. e5 is also going to pack a lot of punch. e5 and my bishop is going to roam free. Everything's coming to the party. h5 is not really achievable yet because h5 just drops the knight. Yeah, I'm liking this position. In fact, knight h3 immediately I might be able to snatch this pawn, but I do want to be a bit careful about how to go about it exactly. That should not be good. Is he trying to fix the knight? Was that what he's going for? Because bishop h6 is going to be very annoying against this pawn. Bishop h6, maybe e5 is better though. I like e5 a lot more. Just clear the way for the bishop. I'm assuming he has to play h5 to try for anything, but I'll just take. He's not getting an attack here. I'm playing e4 and building the Great Wall of China. Knight g5, I play knight f6. Knight g5, I think I could play rook f5 even. Rook f5 looks better because rook takes h7, I play king g8, and he's getting tossed. This rook should be hanging here somehow. Let's play knight f6. Oh my... Oh. I completely... How did I blunder that? Oh. How did I blunder that? Alright. Y'all know the truth. Y'all know the truth. Really sneaky move. I'm hoping for queen b7. I'm gonna start trying to win pieces back. I'm gonna really anger the gods by offering a draw. Okay, he refused to draw, as he should. It's honestly insulting what I'm doing, but sometimes you gotta be a little rude. Alright. Just continuing to hold on for dear life. Is he gonna check? No check? No check? No. I'm running around. I mean, like, one of the key things I really want to impart to you guys, it's all about just making him eat his time. He's looking for a checkmate now. Alright, he's going to take with the check. Just holding on for... That's a good move. That's a very good move. Alright. Ooh, yeah, this... I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make this. No, that was a mouse slip. That was a mouse slip, but okay. don't think I'm making it, guys. I don't think I'm making it. He's not letting me out, but okay, maybe... Man, okay, that was tough. I should have been strategic. Here I should have played this, because then he might play this and that would be... No, that would still not be stalemate. Alright. What's my rating now? Ooh, 2785, lost 10 points. Not the best. But that, come on, that was just a blunder. I can't believe he made such an obvious threat and I was not paying attention to it. I was so full of the vinegar. It's really frustrating here. But we're getting it done. Okay, we're playing CM Yan from Ukraine. That's cool. C3. Play D5. They can play E5. Alright, or they could do this. This just looks super normal. Alright, let's play knight C6. Maybe this pawn is dropping in some positions on D5, but I don't really think I have to worry here. Let's play bishop E7. Queen B6 might be an option in the future. Okay, he wins that pawn there. But no, can I check on E7? I cannot check on E7. He blocks with Queen E2. Let's castle here. Castles, can I play Queen A5 now? I play bishop G4. D4. I have to play D4. I have to just throw everything forward and let the cards settle where they do. Takes this. It looks like I have very good compensation now. Bishop H5. Bishop coming back to G6. I got the two laser bishops. Should I install the queen on D5 first? Let me play rook B8. I like this pressure here. I want to make sure that the knight can't harass my bishop from E4, so I'm trying to get the knight to commit to C4 first. If I could get the knight to commit to C4, I'm golden. Let's play rook E8. How am I gonna deal with this this knight E4 move? The knight E4 move is gonna be very annoying. Knight E4 is very annoying. I'm gonna play queen D5. My goal is to eventually reroute the bishop over to A5. Bishop probably should be on C7. Knight E4. Okay, queen E4. Queen E4. I take on C5 though. He plays queen E8. We just trade. My queen can block. Yeah, no issues for the moment. Alright, let me now no more back rank mate threats. Yeah, this knight f3 c3 funny business. I do need to look at this. This stuff. Why can't I just play rook e8 here? I don't know what he's going on about. The knight e5 is a really dangerous move. Very unsound, honestly. If I take, knight takes... Look at this. Takes, knight takes f6, he has queen c4 check, and he gets out. But I think if I play queen b5 check first... Yeah, that works. This is really cool. Queen b5 check. He can't block with the knight because the queen hangs. If he blocks with the queen, I take the knight. No problem. And here, now f6. Am I missing anything? No, f6. f6 just wins. Queen f5, I can always play rook takes e5. And of course the difference here is that now if queen c4 check, I trade and his knight cannot take because the rook is hanging. Nice. Let's go. It's time to go. How have we gotten 3 games done in only 9 minutes? Bonkers. Bonkers chess. No, sorry, it was only 2 games. It was only 2 games, excuse me. Alright, we're waiting. We're waiting it out. Okay, we're playing, who is this guy? Simon Ansel, never heard of him. I assume he's a pleasant chap, though. Bishop g4. Okay, I guess let's start with e4. No, come on, that can't be good. What is he doing here? He's just wasted a move. Okay, actually no. Like right, right as I say that, I realize that it's just we've just gotten a French. We've gotten an advanced French. This is an advanced French position in which it's an advanced French position in which his bishop's gotten to g4. So even though I think he's down a move or two, it probably should not be that bad. Queen b3, very interesting idea here. Queen b3, I'm probably going to take on b7. Should I play bishop e3 first, though? Yeah, let me play bishop e3 first. If takes, I guess I have to take with the pawn. Yeah, this is tricky. And yeah, if you're noticing, my video is probably logged off because I have to clear some of my memory in my my device. So that's what's accounting for the delay. But I'll take this pawn, and I should be good. All right, here we go. Yeah, I just have these old videos saved on my phone, so I have to go over to the okay, he's played knight f5. I gotta play bishop f2. Again, yeah, sorry sorry for the delay. G5. What is G5? What is this guy doing? All right, G5. What am I gonna do here? This pawn really should be protected. No, I'll just take. I bet you I'm gonna hit him with this queen a4 check trick. All right, I got the phone settled. Got the phone back. Emptied out the trash. It's time to go. We're back in action, people. All right, he's taken that way. I'm gonna take with the queen. This should just be winning. He has way too many things to deal with here. All right, let's play knight d2 or knight a3, which is better? Man, both look good. Both look good. I'll play knight d2. I'm eyeing an eventual knight f3. He should probably take on e5. I'll hit him with a check. Yeah, this still looks fantastic for me. He's going there. That's what he's up to. Queen e2. I got a castle queenside. I gotta throw my pawns for it. If he takes on g2, I just castle. Yeah, that that technical issue cost me a minute. But don't worry. All right, knight g4. It's castle. This looks fine. Knight e3. Knight e3 is spicy, but I just take on f7. Okay, here. Let's play... Okay, can I play h4? Play c6. I like c6 a lot. I'm going to play bishop a6 next. Poke the rook around. I got to play king b1. I got to get my pieces out of the way. Most importantly, I'm just trying to catch up on time. It doesn't even matter if the advantage has sort of evaporated. What matters is just getting back from this time disadvantage. Can I play knight e4 here? Knight e4, queen e3. Knight e4, queen e3, queen c2. Queen g2, I play queen f4. Super interesting position here. Not really sure what's going on. I'm just trying to catch up on time. Rook g4 probably wins. Yeah, rook g4 definitely wins here. Rook g4 definitely wins. I'm gonna just need to get out my big bag of tricks if he does that. Okay, let me play queen c1. Just slowly. I'm literally just trying to flag him. Bishop h6 would be a very good move here. Yeah, this guy's a good player. All right, let's take with the king. Just gonna try to flag him, honestly. I know I said that 5 times, but it doesn't change what's going on. Alright, that was a bad move. Just taking a lot of the pawns here. Gonna take some more pawns. Should probably play rook g2 and try to get something. Play a4. I gotta hurry up. Have to rush. Gotta hurry up. Okay, we got him. We got him, people. Oh, we almost got him. Oh, he's only 2,500. Man, what a shame. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that game though. Like, as mentioned before, I had to dock a minute just dealing with my phone's camera issues. So, scratch that from the record, guys. That doesn't count. That one doesn't count. All right, it's my move here. I need to keep watching the clock. I always go into monologues and then forget that it's my turn. D4. D4, we play knight A3. I've looked at this. I've looked at this in fine detail, and we play knight E5 here and bishop F3. I think bishop E6 is a bit inaccurate. Okay, let's put the bishop on F3. This looks quite comfortable. Can I take on D4? What if I play D3? Yeah, let me play D3. E4, E4 could become an idea. I'm really liking these positions. I'm a Big Bird fan. Okay, yeah, this looks perfect. I don't know what his deal is. I guess he's playing knight D4, but I play queen F2. No problems here. No problems here. The pawn, a little bit weak. Look at what I want to do. I want to make sure that this is a pass pawn here. I'm going to play C4, and then bishop D4 is coming next. Now bishop D4 is very strong. That's what he's going for. This is a strong player, guys. We're playing a big boy. Okay, here, rook D1. I play knight C2. Knight C2 or knight F... Let me play knight C2. Let me fix these pieces. Just dislodging the knight for good. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with my weak pawn here, but I think I can always play for D4. I don't think this is a good move. My bird senses are tingling when they see that move. I like this check a lot. Probing. Oh, actually, no, sorry. He could just play rook D4. What am I doing? That was a terrible move. Okay, yeah, rook D4 would have been a big problem. I gotta beat this guy. Have I ever beaten this guy before? I've beaten him once. He holds a special place in my mind because I grew up reading his analyses in these chess magazines. So very, very good player. I have a lot of respect for this guy. But that's not going to excuse him from facing the wrath of the bird. What should I do here? Queen E3. He has to play E5. Has to. Exactly. Alright. Not the end of the world. Maybe I'm slightly worse. I don't know. I gotta hold these pawns back. Let me play... Okay, yeah, this is getting quite tricky. Let me play G3. A3, B4. I gotta get some play going. Can I play D4 now? Yeah, let me play D4 now. Rook can come to E2. Not the end of the world anymore. Okay, rook F2. Alright. Ooh. Yeah, the tricks never stop. Tricks never stop. He's going for mate. But I think... No, I just play H4 here. H4, I'm not getting mated here. Definitely not getting mated. In fact, his king might be getting mated. Check. All right. Everything is okay. People, relax. All right. I guess he wants no draw. Well, rook h3, I play rook g2. Still nothing. In fact, yeah, his rook might very well be misplaced there. Play rook f2. He has to be very careful here. He could easily... Alright, he's doing that. I was going to say, he could easily mess this up. Like, this is not that simple a position, but I do need to play very quickly. Let's play rook d2. I could always play rook d3 if need be. Gotta hurry up. I'm at 30 seconds. It's crunch time. It's time to go. Can I play g4 here? Let me play rook d7. Oh, this pawn. Ooh. This pawn drops. Let's play rook d3. I could just pre-move that. Okay, rook d7. Just gonna attack this. It's getting wild. Oh, yeah, this is such a good player. He's such a good player. He knows exactly what to do. He got me, guys. It's time to go. All right. What are we at? We're at 21 minutes. So that marks day 28, down to 27.69. Some technical issues. Y'all are going to have to forgive me. Like, making these videos, I literally have to keep in mind, like, 100 things. Maybe not 100 things. Maybe it's like 5 things, but I'm still not that organized. With that being said, thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow for day number 29. Again, do not worry. Do not fret. Do not get anxious, okay? The 2769, this is a controlled demolition, all right? We're going to go right back up to 2900 and 3000 in due time. Take care, everybody.